Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the frustrating "there are errors in your return" message in TurboTax. If you've ever tried e-filing and got stuck with this error, this guide will help you resolve it quickly and get your return submitted without stress. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your TurboTax account on their official website. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials so you can access your current tax return. Once you're in, look for the Tax Tools section in the left-hand menu. This is where TurboTax keeps all the advanced options for managing your return. Next, click on Tools under Tax Tools. Here, you'll see a few different options, but the one we're interested in is Clear and Start Over. Selecting this option allows you to reset your return if errors are blocking your e-filing. Important note, using Clear and Start Over will delete all the information you've entered for that tax year. So, make sure you either have a backup of your data or are ready to re-enter it from scratch. This step is crucial because once you confirm, there's no going back. After clearing your return, start re-entering your tax information carefully. Double-check each section to avoid the same error from happening again. Once everything is complete and accurate, TurboTax should allow you to e-file your return successfully. And that's it. Fixing the "there are errors in your return" message in TurboTax is simple if you follow these steps carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tax tips, and share this guide with anyone stuck on this error.